Going to be 2013 Cadillac SRX. Rear wheel bearing. Wheel is already off. Let's see if I can reach this. I just did the front. Separate video. Let's see if you can get in here. Probably not. I can loose by hand. $18. Yeah, one of those helps a lot. Not needed really. Can use a ratchet. Yeah. Okay. Again here I try to get this out as a whole assembly. The brake caliper saves a little time. Also here jiggle back and forth so the piston compresses just a little bit. It makes it easier when you put it back on. Hang this guy up here. And the other ones are 18 as well, I believe. Let me see. Okay, nobody. The screw is already missing. Here we go. Let me see that. I can probably just sneak in from the side.
Yeah, sorry, this is not the perfect camera angle. The camera was slightly too high, and yeah, sorry for that. But if there's anything crucial, I narrow it down. It basically all the rear screws, the bolts are all 18. You can use a breaker bar to break them loose, or if you have a long 18mm wrench, that works fine too. And then just ratchet them out, or if you have a swivel tool, then of course that makes it easier to speed this up.
It's pretty hot today. This is 18. Gotta take this and maybe this. So of course, well, you know what? Just in case that doesn't work, let me get this ratchet. Of course, you can do everything with a conventional ratchet. Takes a little longer. And let's see if I can get this bolt loose with this one here. Yep. I don't know if I can get in here. Maybe. Worth a try. Too bad, huh? set of studs. Those two are loose. One to go. For some reason this one doesn't want to come out easy. That ain't good. Conventional way. And he's going to box bench it. That already pisses me off. Okay. Just a straight ratchet. That's sticking in there. Check this out. Another one in. Just get it lined up a little bit and start it.
Again, here you wanna first hand tight, like hand screw in all the 3 screws into the pulp assembly, because there's also like a little shield that can move around a little bit. If you tie one up, that you might be having a hard time to put the other ones in.
Kind of run them down a little bit by finger. All right. Not so good. You probably can't see that. I'll try to go from the other side maybe. One. So, and then basically just tie them up by hand. Make sure they're tight. Long wrench helps. Okay. That is that. The screw was missing for the disc, rotor, whatever, and see, now it's super easy to put back on. Like that. I just run them down. Like that. Tie them up. Okay, and that's how you change the rear wheel bearing on a 2013-ish, I think I don't know what year range, I put it in the description. The rear wheel bearing, basically easy, 30-minute job. Please subscribe if that is helpful. I'm still trying to reach the 1,000 subscribers. It appears to be difficult. Have a good day.